What if you could repair your kidneys naturally in just a few weeks, without relying on harsh medications? Most people don't realize this, but your kidneys have an incredible ability to heal themselves when given the right environment. And today, we explore how powerful foods, hydration habits, and key nutrients can help you restore kidney health faster than you thought possible. Your kidneys quality filter over 180 liters of blood every day, removing toxins and balancing minerals like sodium and potassium. But when they are under constant attack from poor diet, dehydration, or high blood pressure, they lose that cleansing power. The result: waste buildup, fatigue, swelling, and eventually chronic kidney disease. The good news, the science confirms this, is that diet and lifestyle changes can reverse early kidney damage and dramatically slow its progression. Let's break down 5 major ways to support your kidneys and rebuild their function naturally. High-protein diets might look great for muscle grabs, but they can overwork your kidneys. When you eat too much red meat or a protein powder, your kidneys must filter more nitrogen, a byproduct of a protein metabolism. Over time, the pressure causes macroscopic scarring in kidney tissue. A study showed that reducing protein intake, especially animal protein, can lower creatinine levels and improve kidney filtration rates. Plant-based protein like lentils, tofu, and quinoa are easier on your kidneys and still give you the amino acids you need. You already know that salt raises blood pressure, but for kidneys health, it's much more dangerous. High sodium levels causes water retention, which forces your kidneys to work overtime to regulate fluid balance. These chronic strain thicknesses blood vessels inside the kidneys, gradually impairing filtration. Processed foods, even healthy soups, sauces, and breads, often hide twice the daily recommended sodium limit. Switch to home-cooked meals with the natural herbs and the potassium-rich foods like avocado or spinach to balance electrolytes naturally. Phosphorus is essential, but too much of it, especially from additives in processed foods and colas, is toxic to the kidneys. Excess phosphorus raises fibroblast growth factor 23, a hormone that worsens inflammation and bone disease in kidney patients. Research shows that avoiding phosphate additives can lower FGF23 levels and slow CKD progression within months. Choose natural sources like whole grains and nuts. A phosphorus is bound to plant fiber, making it harder for the body to absorb. High blood sugar silently damages kidney capillaries. This process called glycation stiffens blood vessels and makes it harder for kidneys to filter toxins. That's why diabetes is a leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. You can protect your kidneys by maintaining stable glucose levels. Include low glycemic fruits like berries, fiber-rich vegetables, and cinnamon, which may improve insulin sensitivity. Even small dietary shifts can improve your glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, a key kidney health marker. Water is your kidney's best friend, but both too little and too much can be harmful. Dehydration causes waste to concentrate in your urine, increasing the risk of kidney stones and infection. On the other hand, excessive water intake can dilute the essential electrolytes, stressing kidney balance. The ideal amount depends on your weight and activity level, but the general rule, ideal urine means your hydration is optimal. Add a pinch of sea salt and a lemon to water to replenish electrolytes naturally, especially in hot climates. If you are learning something new today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more science-based health insights. We post daily evidence-backed strategies to help you take control of your health naturally and intelligently. Plant-based diets lower inflammation and acid load on your kidneys. When you replace animal fats with vegetables, fruits, and legumes, your body produces fewer uremic toxins, harmful byproducts normally filtered by kidneys. A meta-analysis found that even partial plant-based diets improve kidney function in just 8 to 12 weeks. Why it works? Plants are naturally alkalizing and rich in antioxidants that protect nephrons, your kidney's microscopic filters. These two minerals help balance sodium and blood pressure. Deficiencies in magnesium lead to calcium buildup in kidney tissue, increasing the risk of stones and fibrosis. Leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and bananas are natural sources that help maintain a smooth kidney blood flow. But remember, if you already have a late-stage kidney disease, consult your doctor before increasing potassium. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and prevent kidney scarring. Clinical trials show that EPA and DHA supplement improve GFR and reduce proteinuria, acute signs of kidney stress. Fatty fish like a salmon or a plant-based flaxseed oil can make a noticeable difference within weeks. Even mild hydration accelerates kidney damage. Try daily walks, meditation, and nitrate-rich foods like beets or arugula, or reduce nitric oxide, which relax blood vessels. Avoid caffeine overload and processed snacks that spike pressure. The kidneys don't regulate your liver and lymphatic system also filter toxins, support by reducing alcohol, increasing fruits, vegetables, and maintaining regular bowel movement. This holistic approach lightens the kidneys more later, letting them regenerate faster. Always consult your healthcare provider before making medical change. Which foods are effective? The rules of processing, fat content, and glycemic load. In animals, animals aren't there, even if you an early warning sign for the mild dysfunction. With the right foods, hydration, and lifestyle support, they can repair, regenerate, and fight far beyond inflammation and nutrient loss after 50. A study incorporating these foods known to boost energy, support heart and brain health, and age vibrantly. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and share.